Hello and welcome, new and old subscribers. If you are a visitor, subscribe now. And if this is your first time, I'm thrilled that you're here. Let's get this Dollar Tree haul started. Yes, our first item is by Crafter Square. It's a paint set, but it's not just a regular paint set. It looks like it's metallic. So this is the first time I'm seeing the metallic paint set. They always have the regular paint set. But this one is metallic, so they're stepping up a notch. Next item, another Crafter Square item, is Sunshine Friend Hello Hello Twice. These are stickers. I think they're kind of made out of like faux wood. So fabulous find in the Crafter Square section because lately they've been kind of slacking off in the Crafter Square section to me. Yes, we have Kissable Fresh Start Facial Cleanser with exfoliating beads with ginseng and vitamin C. Oil free, removes oil, dirt, and impurities that builds up overnight. We have Blistex Dermatologist Recommended Lip Medex Lip Protectant, and this is the same one they normally have, but it has a new look, same formula. So I'm just giving you a heads up if you're looking for the Lip Medex. We have cuticle oil and nail strengthener. Moisturizes with vitamin E, helps strengthen nails and cuticles, and it's comparable to Sally Hansen's vitamin E nail and cuticle oil. This is by Be Pure. This goes in phases because I've seen sometimes you can find the cuticle oil and then sometimes you cannot. So, if you use it, buy extra because the next time you go back or next two times or when you need more, it may be gone. We have bathroom items. We have a soap dish. We have a pump where you can use soap or lotion. And then we have a toothbrush holder. And I just seen that they have the beautiful colors. It's brown. They have gray, the white, and black. Books, and more books. Let's look at all the different books that they have. Live Free. Let's see. The Hidden Palace. There's different books for you to enjoy at Dollar Tree. They have the Judy Blume books back. And this is The Wit and Wisdom of Bridgerton. So if you're a Bridgerton fan, they have a book. It's not I guess it's a story. Showing you a little few of the pages so you can take a look inside to see if it's something that you will look out for when you're going to Dollar Tree for their books. There's pretty pages though, nothing else. The cover, these are the Squishy Beanies by TY. They're so cute. They have the little hooks that you can have on your backpack or your purse or any other bag. Or if you want to keychain, I wouldn't put on a keychain, but hey, each his own. The Better Than Yesterday cards are back in the stores. You can go back and look at some of my videos. I do shorts. I did a few shorts on the Better Than Yesterday cards. Also, if you go to my TikTok, which is the same name handle as my YouTube, I think I do the cards for like 30 days just to give you an idea on what kind of questions, statements that they have for you, just to give you insight to see if that's something you want or not. And be better than yesterday. You want a card game for the children? Yes, this is for 5 and up. It's called Headbands. The quick question game of What Am I? Cool. Sample questions are: Am I animal? Am I food? Am I an object? Am I heavy? Am I small? Do I make noises? And if there's given instructions. So that's a great little game you can play. Family fun. Two more child-friendly card games. One is called Beat the Parents, a family showdown that states have never been higher. And Would You Rather eat a jar of olive stuffed with slugs or eat roadkill hot dog? That's so funny. That'd be some like hours of fun. Because I know, like, I have a 13-year-old and he still does. Would you rather this or that? Even though it may be way off base, but this may be a funner way to do it, even though they may be teenagers. Sometimes they like silly stuff. Red, white, and blue shape chalk. This one looks like an kind of like an ice cream popsicle type. Remember they're like the ones, the red, white, and blue, and they had I think banana and chocolate ones too. That's what this looks like. And also they have a shaped chalk donut. So with the weather cooling off before it gets too bad, it'll be a nice outside activity. We have two types of balls for outside activities. A high bounce ball, you can see it in the orange and blue, and I think they had red. And then we have the novelty balls. It look like red, green, and blue. Great little stocking stuffers. Near the balloons, they have the happy birthday decor. I'm not sure if you stick it on a wall or hang it up, but they had two different ones, both with happy birthday. This is the happy birthday with all the balloons, as you can see. And this one says happy birthday, like neon stars and squiggly lines. So, and a birthday cake. So you can pick which one you like. I think they're called decor, so happy birthday decor. If you know exactly what they are, let me know in the comment section down below. Look at these awesome sunglasses cases. They have three different colors. So they have this pink, white, and I think that it was a blue or kind of like a mint green, I believe. So nice little case, and you can use it for something else. Maybe to carry pencils or pens. It's up to you. We have duster refills by Standard Essentials. Bonus, one extra duster. Normally you would get two, but this time you get three. So if you need a refill, they have them in stock, or at least at my Dollar Tree anyway. We have whole mackerel by Fisherman's Paradise. As low in fat, high in protein, omega 3s. Interesting. We have Texas style honey sweet cornbread mix. Especially with those colder days coming, some nice cornbread to go with your food. Sounds delicious. And this is a hammer, wood hammer. Dad helps to build the best memory. And you don't even have to use this particular writing or something. You can clean it off, sand it a little bit, paint over it, and create whatever you want to create using the shape of a hammer. Now it's time for our Dollar Plus section. It may include one, two, or even more Dollar Plus items for you to enjoy. We have a basket with sliceable food by Toy Box, and it's kind of like, giving the kitchen a little nice little box. Great Christmas item, or just play, child needs simple plays without the electronics, without the tablet, without the phone, just simple fun. Next, we have this shark car launcher. Has a shark and 3 cars. Well, this is all I have for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification. Make sure you watch all my other videos, hauls, reviews, everything. DIYs. Greatly appreciated. Like I always say, be blessed. Until next time, and be better than yesterday.